I'm David Harper. I'm the CPN Wildland Fire Program Manager, working out of the CPN Regional Office. And here we're talking about work done at the Boise Diversion Dam on the Plex Fire. It was a human-caused fire that started by fireworks, actually, and burned for 3 days. Over 500 acres were burned. 287 acres of that was Bureau Reclamation ground. The factors that we were really considering to implement a stabilization plan are the steep slopes that you can see on the canyon sides. Emergency Stabilization and Restoration Program focuses on stabilizing slopes, restoring vegetation, and protecting infrastructure and natural resources after a fire burns in an area. Due to its steep, rocky terrain, we're going to do an aerial seeding method to restore native plants, which would include native grasses, sagebrush, bitterbrush, and some other forbs to the area. Instead of drill seeding them with a tractor or other avenues, hand broadcasting, we'll actually fly it on with either a helicopter or an airplane in order to reseed the steep slopes. The first was BLM. As part of their lands were involved in the upper part of the fire. Second, we worked with Idaho Fish and Game in the county to do live planting of sagebrush seedlings in the recreation area. And then third, of course, our partners with the Boise Border Control that operates the diversion dam. The Bureau of Reclamation of this facility focuses on both hydroelectric power and water delivery for irrigation. Therefore, we want to try to protect that so we can continue our mission.